So thank you for watching, guys. This was a project that you can do should you have a little bit of machinery or even hand tools. You know, it's a matter of sourcing a bit of wood, whether it's in a log form or not, or you can just purchase it from your box store. And with this, as you saw, I made an appropriate size cut for what I wanted to produce. Now, logs, you know, you can get them from your general purpose yards that sell firewood and places like that. And if they're dry enough, you know, it's nothing major to make up a jig such as this. And this jig enables us to make manageable size slabs out of the timbers we do have. So that's something to keep in mind. So we went from cutting the slab down into producing something like a cheese plate, a bread board, whatever you want to call it. And these are practical, you know, very easy things to make. And they can be good gifts for people. Also, with a bit of leftover wood, a couple of little coasters, why not? If you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up and also subscribe to Sumo's projects and hit the notification bell, and that's advisory to any future content that I might be putting out. So thank you very much. Get out in the shed, have a bit of fun and utilise all the wood you got around. Alright guys, see you later.